What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pocophone F1, and I picked up a screen protector for this bad boy. It is a tempered glass for a company called AOLANDER or OLANDER, and you get two in the package for $7.99, which isn't a bad price. I picked this up from Amazon. Like I said, you get 2-day shipping. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check that out. But shout out to my Project 13. I watched his video and he did the screen protector. He used this one. It seemed like it was pretty good, so we're gonna give this one a shout. I'm gonna show you guys the link here. There you go, OLANDER, and it's a 2-pack Xiaomi Pocophone F1 screen protector. So we're gonna give this a whirl. We want to protect this device. As we all know, this is a really beautiful device for good price, super specs. So let's go ahead and let's install this bad boy. All right, the first thing that you want to do is you want to wipe this sucker down, but the first thing you want to do is turn this off. So go ahead and power it off. And what I do is I recommend that you do this at night before you're going to go to bed. That way it'll sit all day and then you're good to go, and you don't have to worry about anything happening to your device. So first thing you want to do is wipe it down. Now with the package that they gave you, the 2-pack, they give you some goodies here. Some advertisement there. They give you some wipes, and then obviously the tempered glass here, and they give you 2 of these. So this is real good look for this company. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe this sucker down. All right, they give you a nice little pack here. They give you some wet wipes, a little microfiber cloth, and then some guide stickers and dust absorber stickers, which are great. So what you want to do is you want to wipe it down with the wet wipe, which is real easy. All right, once you wipe it down with the wet wipes, you dry it off with the microfiber cloth. And what I do is I use a case. I picked up this is a case from Mophie. You want to see my video, check out that link up there or down below or on my channel. You can check it out. But once you wipe it down with the wet wipe, yeah, it is a wet wipe. You want to take these little stickers here just to get all the dust off. Like I said, I use the case as a little support while I'm doing this. That way you get no dust underneath the screen protector and you're good to go. Put that there. All right, the next thing you want to do is after you turn it off, wipe it down with the wet wipe, dry it with the microfiber cloth, and then use your dust absorber sticker. You want to apply your tempered glass. Now it's real easy. It's one piece. All you do is peel off the back and place it right on the device. Now I like to turn it sideways so that I can align the holes. Boom, and then you just kind of tap it and let it just stick to the device. As you can see, it's doing its thing. It's sticking to the device, and then you could kind of just work out the bubbles, and then you are good to go. You kind of work these out like so. And you may have some that kind of hang around a little bit, but just give it a few hours. And like I said, do this at night so that you could, you know, not have to worry about it. And also I would wait, you know, like overnight, like at least 10 or 12 hours before you slap a case on this, because you don't want this popping up, you know, and wasting your money. But this seems like it's a pretty good install. Some of these screen protectors that you get from Amazon or even eBay, man, they could be real waste of money. I know a couple people on the channel have commented about the some screen protectors from like eBay and stuff like that haven't been very good. But we're gonna power this on and see what we got. All right, so I have it powered on here, and we will try to just kind of go through the the screen to make sure everything's working right. That way we don't have any issues. Man, this thing's a beautiful phone. Really like it. Hey, shout out to Android Stud, 1 million views. Ooh, that's a nice wallpaper. I like that one. I think I have that one. Let's see here. Yeah, seems pretty good. Seems like everything's working pretty nice. So it's an easy install, man. So check it out. The link is down below. Got it from Amazon. $8 with my hard-earned money. But yeah, man, these are looks like a win. So make sure you guys check this out, and tempered glass for the Pocophone. Enjoy.